as well that I needed to cover through your course. So today we'll be looking at creating surveys with D365 Customer Voice. But however, before we go there, maybe it would be good to do a quick recap of what we learned yesterday. So anyone on the course, please feel free just to raise your hand or just to, explain to everyone on the call what it is that you learned yesterday and what were the key takeaway points from yesterday's learning. Anyone? I don't want to start picking names. I'm sure we were all on the call yesterday.
Hi, Dan.
Hi there.
Yeah, it's Mary. Very briefly, yesterday we looked at creating a solution.
Mm-hmm.
So we looked more of what the developer would do.
Mm-hmm.
And we looked at customizing the default out-of-the-box settings for Microsoft Dynamics. So we looked at managed solutions, unmanaged solutions as well, and what they were. And we also had a demo of how to access those settings,
Mm-hmm.
and also a bit of who had the privileges to do that as well.
Mm-hmm.
And yeah, basically, I think that's the overview, more of the development side of things and how things can be changed from the system settings.
Fantastic. And thanks a lot, Mary, for that. Anyone else, who wants to add on something else?
We touched on how to create tables and how to choose to understand different data types,
Mm-hmm.
and also columns, and how to configure predictive models.
Okay. And can anyone tell me, about the different data types that we have?
There's choice.
Sorry, I didn't catch that.
I think choice.
Choice. It's got a unique name.
Oh.
So you are talking about having a couple of values and you choose one, right? Or you choose multiple values.
Text.
Yeah, we've got a text field, but for the choice, there's a name that is used, like a default name that is used. Anyone remembers that?
A single line text.
No, that's a different that's a different one. So you might have 3 values that are displayed when you click that field. It has a drop down and it shows you various options, and you then select the option that you want. So does anyone remember that? I think I've already given you a clue.
Would that be data type?
It is a data type, but what is it called?
Choice.
Yeah, but we're looking for the actual name that is used, the correct name. In in the D365 world, or even in the tech world. I've
Value.
already dropped a clue.
Mm. What was the clue?
So you might have a field where you want, let's say for argument's sake, you're inputting information in relation to a car, and then you get to this part where it's talking about the color of the vehicle, and there is different options on there. It could be red, it could be blue, it could be white, gray, whatever the color is, and you select from an option from that list. So I think that's the clue. I've already given you more.
Select the value.
And the other one,
All values.
it's an option set.
Ah,
Yep. But I think what we'll probably do is, as we move forward, I think now we're getting towards the end of doing the presentations that we're going to be doing, and we'll go more into using the product. But however, we still need maybe to impart a bit more information and knowledge to you guys on some of these things, like these data types, all the various data types, and look at maybe security that is used around Dynamics 365. Probably look at security roles, business units, and so on and so forth. Okay. Is there anyone else who wants to add on to whatever has been said regarding yesterday's session?